How to hide your best friends on Snapchat. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply hide or just remove or change your best friends very easily on your Snapchat. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up the Snapchat in your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you're going to go into your profile icon and look for your friends. Here you'll find your best friends. So if you want to remove somebody as your best friend, the simple way to do is just stop sending that person DMs and snaps. In that way, it would take a week or so to remove him or her as your best friend. So if a person is there and he doesn't want to or she doesn't want to wait a week or so to make the person remove from their best friends list, what they can do is they can simply tap or hold on to that person, go into the settings mode, and they can simply remove them as a friend or block them. So once you block them as a friend, what would happen is eventually that person would be removed off from your best friends list. And then you can go into your settings, and once you go into your settings, you're going to scroll down till the very end and you're going to find an option named block. Once you go into that block, you're going to unblock that person, and hence that person would be out of your best friends list but still be your friend, and you guys can talk to each other and do whatever you want. And another benefit of this blocking and unblocking is that person won't be notified that he or she is blocked. So this is how you do it. This is how you remove someone as your best friends on Snapchat. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.